Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to make grooves in a 3D model. So, we will go to the front side of the building. So, this is an office building and we will make grooves in it. So for that, we will use tape measure tool and push pull tool. So these tools are very important to make the groups, and let's see how we can do that. So first of all, I will take the tape measure tool, and then like this, we will draw lines at 6 inches, and then we will provide a gap of 1 inch. So first of all, I will make lines at 6 inches and then 1 inch. So similarly, I will just repeat the process and draw all the lines. So guys, we have drawn all the guidelines and also the lines that we need over here. So now I will use my eraser tool and I will simply erase all the guidelines from here. Now we can simply start making the grooves. So all we need to do is to just use the push pull tool for that. So but before that, I can also erase few of the other lines that are over here. So I can just erase all these lines because these lines are not needed over here. Now I will delete these lines. Okay, so it is ready to make the grooves. And now we will start making the grooves. So for that, I will use my push pull tool. Select the area and I have already made a groove of for 1 inches over here. So I will just pull it by 1 inches. Now, I don't need to enter the value each and every time. All I need to do is to just drag it. So I will simply pull it and click on the face of the dragged portion, and it will automatically take the dimensions that are required over here. and you can see we have a decent grooves on this side. So we will repeat the process for the other side too. And now our grooves are ready. Now if I want, then I can change the color. So I will go for a darker shade. So let's pick this one. So over here you can see our grooves are ready now. To get a better view, I will just go to the sides, and over here you can see our grooves are clearly visible. So guys, this was the way of making the grooves in Sketch Pro, and we will keep learning such tricks in our upcoming videos. Till then, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to join our live session, then you can find the link in the description, and all you have to do is to register over there, and our team will definitely give you a call. And if you want me to make video on any particular topic in a SketchUp, then you can just write your suggestion in the comment section. Thank you.